Hey guys, welcome to this Google Photos tutorial, and here I'll detail how to make drive link of photos. So if you want to share specific photos on your phone using link via drive, then this video is going to walk you through how you can create link for a particular set of photos and then share it across your drive or share with your friends and family. So if you're done of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to make drive link of photos, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app on your phone. So search for the Photos app and click on Photos. Now, once you selected photos, hit the bar button and make sure you select photos at the navigation. So you need to set your options to photo. Now, once you selected photos, scroll down and select the photos where you want to make the link. So here, I'm just going to go ahead and select few of the photos I have here and then make a link with them. So scroll down until you get to the photo section where you want to make the link. So in this case, I'll click on this photo. Click on that. Now to make a link of this photo, you can click on the share button. Or better still, you can select multiple photos at the same times by opening the photo section. Then you have access to all the photos. Then click on the photos like this. Select them. You can see I selected 3 like this. So once you've done selecting the photos, come here and click on the share button at the bottom left. Then select all of this. Then you should see all the photos here. So I have all the photos selected on this page. Then to make a link of this photo, just click on create link. Once you hit the create link, this photo will create a link and can share across to friends and family. Then go ahead and click on this copy icon to copy the link. Now once you copy the link, you can share this link with anyone either on WhatsApp, either via messages. You can also save this photo link on your Google Drive and use it later. So that is all you just need to do when you are trying to make drive link of photos. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.